Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. If you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. Okay. So guys, right here, we will be checking out all these assets, and everything we'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. So guys, this is GainX 1200, just like I have said in the morning. Okay, this actually started an uptrend and it has been on uptrend since then. Okay, it got to this particular resistance zone. It has not been able to break out from there, so it took its time playing around there for a very long time. If it should break out above it, it's going to buy more. But if it's unable to break out from there, then it will go fully into a downtrend. Okay, but for now, it is still buying until it is unable to break out above it. So we should take note of that. Okay. Next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out. This is GainX 999. This also had been on uptrend right from here, even though I don't really like the movement. It's got to this region, was unable to break out from there, so it went back down till it got to this, and of course went back up and had been playing around here since. Okay, so if it should go ahead and break out above this, it's going to buy more. But if it does not and breaks out below this, then definitely it's going to sell more. Okay, so if it breaks out above this resistance, it's going to buy more. If it should break out below this, then it's going to sell more. Okay, so we expect it to buy more. But if it does not break out above that resistance zone, it's not going to buy, it will sell. So we should take note of that. The next asset is going to be PayNext 1200. This had been on downtrend for a while, got to this region, had to buy for a while and came down again. But right now it has started a buying trend. Okay. So this is on uptrend at the moment. So we expect it to buy more. And of course, we expect it to get to this region first. And if it should break out from there, then it should get to this particular spot. Okay. So this is going to be more buying than selling at the moment. Okay. So we expect it to buy more at the moment. Next asset is going to be PayNext 999. Let's check it out together. This is PayNext 999. This actually started an uptrend right from there, got to this resistance zone, had a pullback, went back up again, and it is yet to break out above this particular resistance zone. If it should break out from here, then it might be targeting this particular resistance zone. And if it should break out from here, then definitely it's going to buy more. So this is still buying at the moment. So we should take note of that. The last asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. This is FX volume 80, and of course, this actually took its time to play around there for a very long time. More than a day now, it has been playing around here, around this resistance region. Okay, even though we are expecting it to sell, but it is taking its time to play around there for so long. So if it should break out from this support region, then definitely we should expect more selling opportunity right from there. Right now, it is selling at the moment. So probably this might be selling for long if it should break out from that support region. So guys, I will be stopping right here. Make sure you understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before you try it out on your real account. And if you love my content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family.